So, look, no, not much changes. You will see the now the dashboard is very extensive, and the dashboard actually collect all the data. So if a student the input the data, their dashboard will be different. Okay, dashboard actually shows everything else. Again, the calendar, how many calendars? Same, you guys had it. And nowadays, this will be a course for a student. Okay, now we are not going to add it into this. They will be adding, and you will be accessing this. And the total technical test and the show and tell, that they are all same. They are not changed at all. The document wise, document slab, nothing is changed. Basically, everything is as expected. But we actually bringing the more things here. Okay, so here like the content is going to be ratings. Okay, the like a high priority, low priority, medium priority. So of course everything is high, but that's high some point, medium some point, low some point. So content has a priority now, and the content has a pin. You can pin this content so you can watch later. Remember, you need to take notes yourself. Now the student can do the pinning so they can look later, and they can focus. Focus means they can, okay, this is the video I am watching now. Got it? And complete, when they do the complete means they completed it. Okay, then anything they do, it will show their dashboard, basically. Okay. The all the contents has been actually the whatever is called the breakdown. Workshop is breakdown, and then and it's different way now. It's an example. Each of the modules has a show and tell, because show and tell students love the show and tell, because in the long workshop they can see the show and tell is kind of the
Summary.
quick version. But here is the difference. All of the workshop has been the breakdown. A large workshop has been breakdown, and each of this video has an AI summary. Okay, you didn't have it. So now it is ready for them. So a video, they can see what is the summary of this video. It is one content. This is the first content, this is the second content. Each of the video has, again, from this video, because we have a very highly AI behind the scene. Okay, we have implemented our own, the chat GPT is the whisper. So the same content, it is actually the writing the interview question and answer. This again, to actually before the video mock interview, this helps them. At the same time, we believe the behavioral interview is very important. So behavioral interview is there as well. So it is to actually to give all the content so they can engage with the content more than anything else. And plus, of course, based on the modules, it has the slide, the same. Nothing is left. Slide is there. So 5 type of content is given for each of these the videos, so that they, as you mentioned, they should not go anywhere else. If the content is missing, one of the important piece you all need to know, they will actually admit, any job you go, either the Facebook or the Microsoft, one of the hardest part in the job is keep updating the documents. Most hardest part. No company can ever maintain the internal documents up to date. Okay, so we have the same issues. So once a student see the document is not updated, if you see this, you'll be seeing that at your job. You have to actually work with it. Okay, how long I have to wait to this, or you can update yourself as well. Here we do the update, but in the job, you take as an opportunity, you update those documentation. So at this moment, this is the whole situation. Interview is the same. Interview will be the breakdown the interview, the same interview question and answer. Each of the interview question has the answer as well, and but the interview has a summary. The interview we do not, this the interview question, we put the summary as well. So this summary is coming from the organic conversation. Of course, summarized done by the ChatGPT, which is the whisper. So these are the benefits are provided to student. So basically everything is ready here. They will be just eating, enjoying, and swallowing and absorbing. So those are the benefits are added. Of course, the community. So those, like we showed you guys when we the push the new app, remember? So here, every day the release management is shared now through our own community. So a student can see what is happening with the changes. Schoolshub, what is the changes happening? Staging environment, where the admin, what is the implementation? So they are seeing everything else. Now, so I don't need to worry about if I want to show something, the release management, we show from here, basically. The chat wise, nothing is changed, but the chat is one-on-one now. No group, okay? Group is not allowed anymore. In this chat group is only student, Ruma, and us. No other student is here, okay? So continuously, all the meeting update, everything goes through the chat. So they are 100% focused. The student is 100% is given one-on-one from the day one until they're actually ending the process. So out of distraction, then they have to be in the focus and they cannot do anything they want. So they go through the Scrum is active. So it is not remove anywhere else. So everything as it is more fully personalized. It is 100% personalized. Okay. So once we go there, we actually go to the bootcamp, each of the bootcamp, and we can see every student has their own project. Okay. So again, everything is taken through them one-on-one. So nothing has been left or nothing has been like ignored or stopped. Everything is taken through them one-on-one. So the goal is so they can focus, they can learn, they can share their emotion and feelings. Because yes, if Shiblu is behind on like the basic computer, he needs to share with the mentor. So the mentor can teach the basic computer, right? Not knowing how to do the presentation. So we'll be teaching the presentation, and then we bring to the bootcamp. So it means the customize. But in the cohort, we cannot do any of this, right?
Yep.
Let's
And
start with the coding. Let's start
um,
this.
yeah, one more thing added here uh, that's really wonderful, so that the participant, the students, they can build their confidence. Because when you work in a team, someone knows better than you. He is showing his work and you will feel low. Oh,
Yes,
I couldn't do that. I cannot do that. That's not inside my capability. I'm not
yes,
able to do this. So when you know them personally, you are really giving them confidence that
yes,
you doing it, get through this, take this time, you will do this. After that, after knowing that, understand it more better, take your time. That's a very good side of it.
yes. So again, the one-on-one is all about the student centric. Is nothing with the TS for his personal, like they're gaining anything. As she mentioned clearly, she observed many times. That's the reason she said it. She mentioned it. I observed many times. Like in a group, 5 or 6 people is outperforming. Okay, other students, they're not outperforming or they're not outspoken. They are doing it, or they're not the quick learner like the 6 people. Because of these 5 people, they actually stay away from the bootcamp.
Yep.
Because that same emotion. Oh, Lubna is outperforming. Shibli is not. I mean, I am Shibli, I'm not. Why I come here every day? I don't think I will get a job. I don't think it is going to work for me. I don't think I can ever learn any of this. So now one-on-one, you don't have that option because you don't know how everybody is performing, right? You're only yourself. So again, it's like the caging you in the very isolated environment so that you can grow, and all about you are going to see the outcome 100% if you committed, if you are focusing, and if you are doing it. Am I right? And share anything you want to say about this approach?
Yes, I'm sorry, I just had to turn off my camera for a moment, but I actually fully agree that's a very perfect setup. I guess we are from different generations of TS4U. If we've seen the different versions of TS4U and the different evolutions. And this one looks like it's at its prime, and people are lucky. The new students are lucky. They're getting this much one-on-one attention and focus, and this much help that is literally tailored for them, that is geared to them. And it kind of corners them. There's no way out. You cannot have excuses, or you cannot get hidden in the crowd anymore. And that's a good thing, and they should definitely take advantage of that. And on how this is so well organized. And I hope everyone is thriving and succeeding and taking advantage of this system, because we didn't have that. Some of us learned the hard way, but with this new evolution, new version of TS4U, it's now even better. was always great, now even better, and now no room for excuses. So that's a very good thing, and I hope people understand that and take advantage of it. And I just wish everyone all the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Lumna, go ahead, last.
Yep. So as she said, there's no excuse. Now you are in here, you have to learn it, you have to do it, and you will do it. So I think that's like a best use of your payment too. Whoever is paying, they're like taking it all back, and that's a very good advantage to take from your mentor.
Nope, I totally agree. Yes. So I saw all the problem. And as you maybe many of you don't know, I'm all about the solving the problem. Okay, making things automated. I feel very confident. I feel accomplished now. I'm telling you, I'm very happy now because I was not super happy that why people will be coming and engaging with the like at their low, they're not motivated, right? Why other people has to know, right? And let's do the personalized, as you guys said, no excuse, no like the cut corner, no like anything else. It is all you, right? Do it slowly, go through the challenge. It's good for you, and it's good for you. Actually, the more challenge you go through, the better outcome you can expect. 100% of the time. The less challenge you go through, your immune system, right? Your confidence will be always weaker. Okay, that's the reason people, the brilliant student versus the non-brilliant student, there is one difference. People actually accept the non-brilliant student more because that guy has gone through all the hoops that the brilliant student did not go through. So brilliant student will become stressed out the 5 times faster than the non-brilliant student. Why? Because non-brilliant student actually the ups, down, ups, down, ups, down, and finally he reached to the goal. Brilliant student only continue up, and he didn't know the value of the struggle. So whenever something you throw to him, if he fails, he cannot continue anymore because he's machine. That's the reason we should not be brilliant. We should be always have the mindset ups and down. That okay, things doesn't work, no problem. Let me spend a little bit extra time. What I can do to make it work is good for me. Yep, I just wanted to share with you guys. That's actually the student portal is always going to be the similar now and the very dynamic now, and the taking the advantage will be the best for a student.